Hello? Who's out there? Hello? Nina! Nina, oh, it's really you. I had a feeling my heart's been aching all day. Oh, my sweet, darling love. Oh, you've come. Don't cry. Don't cry.
There's somebody here.
No, there isn't anyone.
Lock the door in case
No,
anybody.
no one will.
Lock the door. I know your mother's here.
This one doesn't have a lock. I'll put this chair against it. Okay, don't worry. No one will come in.
Let me look at you. So nice here. So warm. This used to be the dining room. Have I changed?
Yes. You've grown thinner. Your eyes are bigger. I feel so strange. I can't even believe I'm looking at you. Why wouldn't you let me come and see you? And why haven't you come sooner? I know you've been in town for nearly a week. Every day, several times a day, I went and stood under your window like a beggar.
I was afraid you'd hate me. Every night, I dream of you looking at me and not knowing me. If only you knew. Since I got back here, I've spent a lot of time walking all around the lake. Often I came right up to the house without daring to come in. Let's sit. Let's sit and talk and talk. It's so nice here. So warm. Cozy. Listen to the wind. Remember Turgenev? Happy the man who on such a night as this has a warm corner under his own roof. I'm the Seagull. No, that's not. What was I talking about? Yes, Turgenev. And Lord help all those homeless wanderers.
Nina, you're crying now.
It's all right.
Nina.
I feel better when I cry. I haven't cried in ages. And then yesterday, after it was dark, I came round to the garden to see if I'd meet her. And to think, it's been standing there all this time. I began to cry for the first time in 2 years. It was such a relief to cry, like a weight lifting from my heart. See, I've stopped now. So you've become a writer. You're a writer, and I'm an actress. We both scrambled onto the merry-go-round. Life used to be so carefree. I was like a child. I'd wake up singing. I loved you. Dreamed of being famous. Now look at me. Tomorrow I'm off to Yulette's, traveling third class with the peasants. And in Yulette's, I'll be fending off the local business type who like a bit of culture. It's not a glamorous life.
Well, why Yulette's?
I'm booked for the winter season. Have to be there tomorrow.
Oh, Nina. I've cursed you, hated you, tore up your letters and photographs. But the whole time I knew I was yours, heart and soul forever. I can't stop loving you, whatever I do. Ever since I lost you. All this time I've been getting my work published, my life has been unbearable. I felt so wretched. I felt as if my youth had suddenly been snatched away from me. I felt about 90. I speak your name. I kiss the ground you walked on. I see your face, that sweet face that smiled upon me when life would never be so good again.
What are you talking about? What?
I'm alone, with no one's love to warm me, and I feel cold, like I'm in a dungeon, and everything I write is lifeless, stale, and dreary. Nina, please stay with me. Nina, or let me come away with you. Nina, what are you doing? For God's sake, Nina!
The trap is waiting at the gate. Don't come with me. I'm all right. Can I please have a glass of water?
Where are you going?
Back to town. Is your mother here?
Yes, my uncle took ill on Thursday. We sent her a
Why did you say that you kissed the ground I walked on? I don't deserve to live. I'm so tired. If only I could rest. I just need rest. I'm the Seagull. No. I'm an actress. Yes. So he's here too. What does it matter now? He never believed in the theater, always laughed at me for my dreams of becoming famous. And little by little, I stopped believing too. Lost heart. And there were always other things to worry about. Love, jealousy, and always worry about the baby. I became trivial, commonplace. My work lost all its meaning. On stage, I didn't know what to do with my hands or how to stand. I couldn't control my voice. You can't know what that's like to be up there on the stage knowing that you're acting so badly. I'm the Seagull. No, remember that Seagull that you once shot? A man comes along, sees her, and having nothing much better to do, destroys her. Idea for a short story. Wrong story. Phil. What was I talking about? Yes. About acting. Well, I'm not like that anymore. I'm a real actress now. When I'm on stage, I feel drunk, just on the sheer joy of it. And I feel beautiful. Since I got back here, I've been doing a lot of walking and thinking, and every day I feel my spirit getting stronger. See, what I've realized, Kostya, is that with us, whether we're writers or actors, it's not about dreaming about the fame and the glory that counts, but stamina. Knowing how to keep going, despite everything. And having faith. I have faith in myself now. And that's helped the pain. And when I think to myself, you're on the stage, I'm not afraid of anything that life can do to me.
So, you found yourself. You know where you're going. And I'm still adrift in the chaos of dreams and images. No faith in myself and no idea where I'm going or what I'm for.
It's time now. Goodbye. When I become a great actress, come watch me act. Promise. But now, it's late. I'm so tired. I'm so hungry. I can hardly stand.
Well, then stay while I fetch you something to eat.
No. No. So she brought him with her. What difference does it make? When you see Jagoran, don't tell him you saw me. I love him. I love him now more than ever. I love him passionately. I love him to despair. Idea for a short story. Oh, wasn't it so good before Kostya? When everything was so happy and clear. The feelings we had. Feelings as delicate as tiny flowers. Remember? Mankind and monkeys. Ostriches and partridges. Antlers, stags, gander, spiders. And this poor moon lighting its lantern.